There's a certain class of crimes where you'll never get your gun rights back here in Arizona, and those are cases involving, children or sex offenses, things like that. Do you have an old sex offender conviction in Arizona and you're looking to get your gun rights back? You will not be able to get your gun rights back. In the law, basically, especially if it's a allegation of a dangerous crime against children, you have absolute no way of getting your gun rights back here in Arizona. And in practice, when you file a motion with the court, if somehow you qualify, if like the case was dropped, or if counts were dropped down to something that were not alleged as dangerous, but they still involve kids, you will not be able to get your gun rights back here in Arizona. And then in a small case, if you could get your gun rights back here in Arizona, you would still probably be prohibited from carrying a gun through the federal system when it comes to old child cases. So that's one class of cases here in Arizona that you will not be able to get your gun rights back if you've been convicted of a case involving children. Again, and it's probably common sense, it's probably obvious. I get a lot of comments on my YouTube or my TikTok or all my social medias when they say that, it's a tragedy that people can get their gun rights back after committing these heinous crimes. But the reality is that there's a certain class of crimes where you'll never get your gun rights back here in Arizona, and those are cases involving, children or sex offenses, things like that. So anyways, but that's really the only type of, case where you can't get your rights back here in Arizona. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about something interesting, and that's if you can get your rights back with more than one felony here in Arizona. Talk to you tomorrow.